clicked it.
Welcome, pros. I'm gonna lower this a little bit. This is Walid Al Sayed. Gonna make a video about what to do at the beginning of the month. And there is the first of the month protocol. I have it for the database, for my Mojo, for MLS. We're gonna cover the database right now. So first I'm gonna log into my CRM software. And you can check the description to get the step-by-step instructions here. And I'm going to demonstrate them live in the video. So I'm going to go into my leads. We are now in the beginning of September. Back to school, back to work. So here's what I do. So I first go into, I get all my contacts. Then we're going to click on filters. And I'm going to just filter out my contacts who are in August. Now August has passed. So these are all the folks in August, however they may be. I'm going to click them all, 63, and I'm going to do a bulk update. Edit the records. We are going to add them to the past due. These folks are past due now. I'm going to add them to that. And then I'm also going to click them all, do a bulk update, and I will remove them from August. So effectively what we've done is there should be 0 in August, and they should now be in the past due column. So let's clear filters. Clear filters. We'll go to August. It should say 0. None. Clear filters again. Now we'll go to the past due amount. Now it would have been nice for me to have shown that to you prior. This number has increased. I think it was 500 before. Now it's 591. Okay. So we've just grown our past due. Now these could have been past dues from January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So now now for the September, there are clients that I need to that are active clients. There are clients that I need to call now, activate. There are those that are past due that have spilled over from August and other past months that I need to call, and we just saw 591 there. And then now, because we're in September, I'm also going to call the folks in September. Let's see how many we have. 117. And then how many do we need to activate right now? These are the folks that have an immediate need. 325. So these are folks that I've imported in my database and I need to set up a meeting with them. Don't want to keep this video long. Please like and subscribe. Check for more information in the description. And there will be a link so that you can get this off of the website, as well as a link that will allow you to get the step-by-step instructions, written instructions. Thanks very much. This is Walid Al Sayed signing off and reminding us all to have a productive day.